How to delete your Snapchat account.
Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this tutorial, we will figure out how to do this step by step.
1. Click on the account icon in the upper left corner. 2. Click on the settings icon in the upper right corner. 3. Scroll down the page. Select I need help. 4. Scroll down, select Manage my account, delete or reactivate my account. 5. Click How do I delete my Snapchat account? 6. Scroll down and click on this link. 7. Enter your username or email. 8. Enter your account password. 9. Click Delete my account. 10. Read the rules carefully before deleting. 11. Enter your account password in this field again and click Continue.
Don't forget to subscribe and watch other guides from us.